Let's be real. You plan, pack your sneakers, and promise this trip will be different. But then life happens. You're exhausted, jet-lagged, and your days are packed. The hotel gym is either non-existent or intimidating. Suddenly, your fitness commitment feels like a distant memory. Finding an hour for a workout seems impossible. This is the travel trap, and it gets the best of us. But what if you don't need an hour? What if 15 minutes could reclaim your fitness? We think workouts must be long and grueling, but that's a myth. Your body doesn't care if you're in a gym or a hotel room. It only knows resistance, intensity, and movement. Shift your perspective from what you can't do to what you can. The solution is simpler than you think. No gym membership or equipment needed. Just a small patch of floor, your body weight, and 15 minutes. That's the key to staying strong and energized, no matter where you are. Break the cycle and stop letting travel derail your health goals. Forget hour-long sessions. The new magic number is 15. A 15-minute workout is the ultimate travel hack. It's manageable and can be squeezed in anywhere, anytime. You only need one of the 96 15-minute blocks in a day. This isn't about finding time. It's about making time. The secret lies in intensity. High-intensity interval training, or HIIT, is key. Push hard, rest briefly, and repeat. Your body burns calories long after the workout, thanks to the afterburn effect. A full-body workout hits all major muscle groups efficiently. Compound movements engage legs, glutes, core, chest, and back. This approach builds functional strength and sculpts your body. Think of these 15 minutes as a non-negotiable appointment with yourself. It boosts your mood, clears your head, and gives you a surge of endorphins. Starting your day with a goal builds momentum and confidence. This small investment pays huge dividends for your physical and mental well-being. Ready to work? Here's a simple, effective, full-body circuit. No equipment needed, just you and your determination. Perform each exercise for 45 seconds, then rest for 15. Complete the circuit of 5 exercises 3 times. First, jumping jacks to get your heart rate up. Second, squats to target glutes, quads, and hamstrings. Third, push-ups for chest, shoulders, and triceps. Fourth, plank for core strength. Finally, lunges for legs and glutes. This combination provides a complete workout. Jumping jacks elevate heart rate for cardiovascular health. Squats and lunges build lower body strength. Push-ups sculpt arms, chest, and shoulders. Plank builds a rock-solid core. In just 5 moves, you've challenged every major muscle group. You've torched calories and boosted your metabolism for the day. The most effective workout is the one you do. Consistency is your superpower, especially while traveling. A 15-minute workout daily is more beneficial than a single long session. It's the daily repetition that creates lasting change. Stop aiming for perfection. Aim for consistency. Habit stack by linking your workout to an existing habit. For example, after brushing your teeth, do your workout. Prepare for success the night before by laying out workout clothes. Remove small barriers to make it easy to start. Don't let one missed day become a pattern. Life happens, but get back to it the next day. The goal is progress, not perfection. Each workout is a victory and a deposit into your health bank. Build a resilient mindset that allows flexibility. Stay focused on feeling strong, healthy, and powerful. This 15-minute commitment is about more than burning calories. It's about proving your health is a priority, even when away. Starting your day with an accomplishment creates a ripple effect. It leads to healthier choices throughout the day. Staying active is your secret weapon against jet lag and fatigue. Exercise increases blood flow, making you feel alert and focused. It helps reset your internal clock for new time zones. A quick morning workout can be more effective than coffee. Exercise is a powerful stress reliever. It burns off cortisol and releases endorphins. That 15-minute session is your personal reset button. It's a moment to clear your head and reconnect with your body. Staying fit on the go is an investment in you. It's about maintaining strength, energy, and confidence. Embrace the 15-minute workout for a healthier, happier travel experience.